In these moments of crisis, sometimes we create great opportunities. And now we have the right moment to improve our teams, to connect our people. And so my first suggestion is use this moment to ask to your team new ideas. Ask them to think about what they would change in your organization, what they can see in a different way, and how can they imagine the future. We also can use this moment to improve our protocols. All the protocols that we have in the clinics, we need now to evaluate them and to see what can we do better. Think about the strategy, where you want to go or where you want to be in 1 year, in 5 years, in 10 years, and what you should do for it. I really think that our business will change after this pandemic, and we really need to be super strong and to be super prepared for what's coming next. Use this moment also to train your people. Train all your team. See what they need. See what weaknesses they would like to fulfill. Use this moment that people are at home to reflect, to improve, because we need to be stronger after this. And we have all the online platforms. We can be together every time and even more focused.